Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to open up the machine. Actually the machine, the model you see in my video is a little bit different with the one you purchased from us, but this is the only similar one model that we have in stock, so I'm going to use this model for demonstration. So you can, first of all, you will need to open up the switch for the whole system. Okay, then you need to make sure you open up the chiller before you start up the welding system. You see, there is a message: press power to start. Then you press the start button on the chiller and wait for about 1 second, or wait for about 1 minute. Then you need to switch the key and the screen panel. See, the panel is light on. Then press OK button. And then you have to wait about 3 minutes. After you hear a sound, boom, and then the open in the up left corner will become closed. After this open become closed, then it means the machine can work normally. You see, the open has become closed. Then the machine is able to work. You see.